Let us start about numbers. So when we talk about factors, so let us say we take number 4. So when I say factor, we have to think by what all numbers can 4 be divided so that remainder is 0. So remember, any number is a factor of itself. The first factor of any number is the number itself, and 1 is a factor of all the numbers. So if you see, if I want to find factors of 4, so you will say, okay, can 1 divide 4 and answer is 0? It is yes, so 1 is a factor. Then go to 2. 2 times 2 gives us 4, remainder is 0. 3 is not a factor of 4, but 4 itself is a factor of 4. So how many factors we got for 4? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So whenever a number has more than two factors, which is 1 and the number itself, those numbers are called composite number. So we will say 4 is a composite number. Let us take another example. Let us take 8 now. Now, look at 1. In the table of 1, 8 comes. Yes, because 1 8s are 8. Then look at 2. 2 in the table of 2, 2 4s are 8. So 2 is also a factor. Now 3 in the table of 3, you do not get 8. So 3 is not a factor. 4, yes. Why? Because 4 times 2 gives us 8. Then 5, no. 6, no. 7, no. And 8. So now how many factors does 8 have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it is also a composite number. What is the definition of composite number? Any number having more than two factors. And what are those factors? The number itself, in this case 8, and 1. As I told you, 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Okay. So remember, if you are asked what is the smallest composite number? So the smallest composite number is 4. Okay. Now let us talk about prime numbers. So let us take example of first prime number, which is the only even prime number. Okay. And remember, 1 is not prime number. 1 is not prime number. Always remember this. Okay. So 1 is not a prime number. 1 is odd, okay, but it is not prime. Now let us look at 2. So is 1 a prime factor of 2? Yes. Is 2 a factor of 2? Yes. But then you see there is no other number which is factor of 2. So how many factors 2 has? 1 and 2. That means the number itself and 1. And that is called prime number. So 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 is the only even prime number. So when we talk about 2, there are two things you have to remember, that this is the smallest prime number. Also, this is the only even prime number. Okay, remember what are odd and even? We have done a video. If you have not watched it, go to description, the link is there and you can see. So any number which comes in the table of 2, so basically if the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then that number is even number. Now let us look at another prime number. So let us look at 3. Okay, so let us look at that. So now look at 3. Is 1 a factor? Yes. Is 2 a factor? No. Is 3 a factor? Yes. Now, see, beyond 3 we will not go because in the table of 4 you cannot get a smaller number. Yes. So, 3 has got only 2 factors, which is 1 and 3. So, again, 3 is a prime number. Okay. Now, so now let us look at another number, 5. So look at 5 also. It also has only 1 and 5 as the factors. So 5 is also a prime number. Then comes 7. So now let us look at 7. 1 and 7. So 7 is also prime. Now look at 9. Now 9, 1, yes. Now see, in the table of 2, 9, does 9 come? No. In the table of 3, does 9 come? Yes. Why? 3 threes are. So that means 3 is also a factor. Then 4, 9 does not come in the table. 5, 9 does not come. 6, 9 does not come. Likewise, 7 and 8 table, 9 does not come. But in the table of 9, it comes. So how many factors 9 has? It has 3 factors. So 9 is a composite number. Okay. Another thing which you should know is except for 2, except for 2, all the prime numbers are odd prime numbers. Except for 2, all the prime numbers are odd. That means they are not divisible by 2. And also remember, not all the odd numbers are prime number. See, 9 is an odd number, but is it prime? No, it is a composite number. Okay, so some more example of prime numbers we can take, like 11 is a prime number. Okay, then 13 is a prime number. So you can just go through the numbers and see what are prime numbers. So let us quickly make one table. I mean numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm just writing and we will together do where all are the prime numbers. So what we will do, we will check the factors and we know the divisibility rules. How we have done a video on divisibility rules. If you have not watched that video, you are requested to go to description and look for the video on the same topic. Okay. For now, we will discuss between 1 to 30. So, see, let us first cross 1 out. Why? Because 1 is not a prime number. So, just cross it. Now, let us look for between 1 to 30. Let us look for all the numbers which are divisible by 2. So, what is the rule? The unit digit has to be even, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. So, this gets circled, 4 gets circled. So, all these are divisible by 2. So, I am just circling them. Okay. Yeah, 22, 2 is even number, 24, 4 is even, 26, 6 is even, 28, 8 is even, 30, see, 0. So, divisible by 2. Now, let us look at numbers which are divisible by 3. So, 3 itself is divisible. Then 6, already covered, but we will see, and those are common multiples. Now, 9, then 12, again common multiple of 2 and 3, then 15, then 18, common multiple of 2 and 3, then 21, then 24, again common multiple, then 27, and then 30. Okay, so these have been circled. Now let us look at the numbers which are divisible by 5. So there is 5 here. Then there is 10 already circled, so it's a common multiple. Then 15 already there. Then 20 already there. Then 25 and then 30. Okay. So we have done with 2, 3, and 5. Now, what is left? Look at those numbers. 7. Now, look at 7. Let me use some other color. Give me a second. Let me use perhaps black color. So, 7. What are the factors of 7? Just 1 and 7. So, 7 is a prime number. 11. What are the factors? 1 and 11. So 11 is a prime number. Similarly, 13 is a prime number. 17 is a prime number. 19 is a prime number. 23 is a prime number. And 29 is a prime number. So if we have to write all the prime numbers between 1 and 30, so we used divisibility rules. Again, if you have not watched those two videos, the link is provided in the description. Do watch those videos because you will learn and do this faster. So let us write all the prime numbers between 1 and 30. So we have 7, we have 11, we have 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. Okay. Now your homework is you write the numbers from 1 to 60 and then find the prime numbers. So what will you do? Just follow the method which we did. Find the multiples of 2, 3, 5 and then look for numbers which are prime and note that down. So up till 30 I have done. So you can start from 31 to 60. Advice to parents and elders, if you are watching along with the kids, please see that the kids do this and understand the concept. Okay, kids, now we will go to. So we have understood what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. So let us move to next topic, which is factors and multiples. Okay. So let us say you are asked to write. So let us say we are asked to write first 5 multiples of 3. So what are they saying? They are asking us to find first 5 multiples of 3. So that means what? First 5 means starting from 1. So 3 times 1 gives me 3. 3 times 2 gives us 6. 3 times 3 gives us 9. 3 times 3, 4 gives us 12. And 3 times 5 gives us 15. So these are the first 5 multiples of 3. Now what I want you to do is write first 5 multiples of 4. Okay. Pause the video and quickly do this and then restart the video. Advice to parents and elders who are watching the video along with kids. So pause the video, let the kid write first 5 multiples of 4 as well as 5. Pause the video and when the kid has done, come back and we will do. So now let us kids see what will happen. So for the 4 thing, what 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 16 and 4 times 5 is 20. So for 5, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20 and 5 times 5 are 25. Okay. Kids, I hope you know when we do multiplication, what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Like when I am writing the table of 3, what am I doing? 3 times 1 is 3. Then for 3 times 2, you are just adding 3 plus 3, you get 6. Then 6 plus 3 gives me 9. 9 plus 3 gives me 12 and 12 plus 3 gives me 15. So if you get stuck at some number, go to the previous one and add that number. Let us say I want to find 4 times 6. So if you forget, then thus, because we are writing table of 4, 20 plus 4. So 4 times 6 would be 24. Now let us say 4 times 7. So 24 plus 4, 28. So this is the way you should make an effort to learn tables. Do repeated addition and with time you will learn this. Okay. Now as a homework, I want you to write the first five multiples of 2, 7 and 6. Okay, that is your homework. Now let us go to two digit numbers. So we can be asked that write first four multiples of 12. So that would mean what? We have to do 12 times 1, then 12 times 2, then 12 times 3, then 12 times 4. Now any number multiplied with 1 gives the number itself. So 12 times 1 is 12. Now for 12 times 2, maybe you will need to do multiplication. So let us do that. So 12 into 2, so 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 ones are 2. So we get 24. 12 times 3. So you just do that 12 times 3. 3 twos are 6 and write like this. Similarly, 12 times 4, if you do, it will be 48. Okay. Now, there could be one question where we can be asked, find sum of first two multiples of 12. So that means first we have to find the first two multiples. That means 12 times 1 and 12 times 2. And they are saying sum. So sum means add. So let us add 12 plus 24. And the answer would be 36. Okay, kids. Now I am going to teach you a very wonderful method to learn double digit tables. So let us say you know tables till 9. Okay, so if you know tables till 9, we can make double digit tables very easily. So I'm giving you the method. So let us write the table of 2 first. So 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and 2 tens are 20. Now what you do, kids, just write the numbers because whatever we have done, we are just writing it. Yeah. So see, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So this 2 into 2 gives me 4 like that. Now we will try to make table of 12. So see 12 ones are, can you see? This is 1 and this is 1 and this is 2. So write them together. 12 ones are 12. Then 12 twos are, there is 2 and 4. So write 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 3 and 6. Write them down. 12 fours are 4 and 8. 48. Now when you look at fives are, there is 0 here, which is at unit digit. Copy it as it is. And then 5 plus 1, just write 6. Okay. Now 12 times 6. So what is unit digit here? 2. Write it as it is. 6 plus 1, 7. 12 sevens are, so write 4 here. And then 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 12 eights are, so you write 6 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Similarly, 12 nines are, so unit digit 8 copied as it is, 9 plus 1 is 10. Tens are, so 0 and 10 plus 2. So kids see, so fast we have made the table of 12. Okay, I am doing now with you table of, let us say, 13. So let us do table of 13. So for that, let me just remove the table of 2. Now you would have understood what am I going to do. I am going to write the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6, 3s are 9, 4s are 12, 5s are 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Now, what is 13 times 1? So 1 and 3, 13. Okay. 13 times 2, 2 and 6, 26. 3s are 39. In 4s are now, can you see? There is this 1 and 2. So 2 remains as it is. 4 plus 1, 52. Fives are, okay, let us remove this. Now, fives are what will happen? There is unit digit 5, then 5 plus 1, 6. Now, 13 six are, write down 8, which is at unit digit, and 6 plus 1, 7. Then 13 sevens are, write 1 down, 7 plus 2, 9. Then 4s are, sorry, 8s are, so write down 4 and 8 plus 2, 104. Similarly, 13 nines are, so this 7 comes as it is, 9 plus 2 is 11 and 130. So we have made the table of 13 so quickly. I would ask you to practice this for all the numbers from 2 to 9. So you will get table from 12 to 19 very, very fast. Now, I want you to pause the video and make the table of 14. So what are you supposed to do? Write the table of 4 and then follow the method which I just told you. You can go back and watch the this portion again and try writing this. Okay. Advice to parents and elders who are watching the video along with kids, please pause the video, let the kid write the table of 14 and start again because I will show the uh, table of 14. So kids, I hope you have written it. So now let us write the table of 4. So 4 ones are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 12, 4s are 16, 5s are 20, 6s are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 8s are 32, 9s are 36, and 40. Now, 14 times 1, 1, 4, 14. 14 times 2, 28. Now, in 3, we see there is 2 and 1. So, 2 unit digit as it is, 3 plus 1, 4. Now, 14 fours are 6 at unit digit, 4 plus 1, 5. 0 at unit digit, 5 plus 2, 70. So 14 times 5 is 70. For 6 are, put 4 at unit digit, 6 plus 2, 8. Then you put 8 and 7 plus 2, 9. So 14 sevens are 98. Similarly, 14 eights are 2 for unit digit and 8 plus 3, 112. 14 nines are 6 will remain at unit digit, 9 plus 3, 12 and 140. Okay, so kids, this is very, very important for you to practice, and the more you practice, better you will learn the tables. Okay, so we will stop this video here. I would suggest to and request all the parents to make the kid watch the video again and again till the time they get comfortable and start making the tables properly. And they should be doing finding the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Also, request to parents, please share this video with other parents in your school group of or in the apartment. Please share it with your relatives and friends and help me spread word. Any nice comments are always welcome, which will motivate us to make and many more videos like this. Thank you.